morning. Welcome to week 7 of the half marathon training cycle. Sorry about week 6. I had this minor injury. Because of that, I couldn't really follow the weekly training schedule. So I just did some easy runs, but by Saturday I was feeling great. So I did the cut down run, which the total kilometers amounted to half a marathon, but it was a very interesting workout. But today is Monday and we did the usual 10 kilometers followed by 100 meters into 6 strides. Feeling great. Weather is amazing. Winter has pretty much set in, at least in the morning. So there's cool breeze, temperatures are down, humidity is down, so it's a joy to run in this kind of weather. It's amazing. So Trump is losing, huh? I just saw the election results in the morning. Looks like he's losing. Anyway, good morning. So we're done with 6 weeks of the half marathon plan, and I seriously feel that there's been quite a lot of progress. I feel a little bit of difference when I'm running these easy runs. There's this type of bounce that I have, which I didn't have before. Difficult to explain, but yeah. Let me explain the whole bounce thing. Previously, when I was running or I was going for easy runs, I would feel this bounce, this effortless flow for the first 2 or 3 kilometers, and then that bounce would eventually just disappear, and then I would still run, but I wouldn't feel as smooth or effortless like I did in the first 2 or 3 kilometers. Now when I start the run and I'm feeling that bounce goes on till at least 7, 8, sometimes even 9 or 10 kilometers. So I feel like that's a significant progress that I've made in these 6 weeks of training for the half marathon. I don't know about speed yet, but this is definitely a tangible progress unit that I can measure, at least till now, which is great. Today was again like an easy pace 10 kilometer run. Feeling great, feeling fresh. The bounce that I had yesterday, I still felt it today, which is awesome. I have a little bit of soreness in my right leg, but I think that'll go away once I stretch and foam roll it. But all in all, superb. The weather's so amazing that you don't feel that tired anyway. But I'm ready for tomorrow's effort session. Just stopping that. That was a tough workout. 3 kilometers into 5 at 5 seconds faster than half marathon pace. That was tough. It's funny that during any of these hardcore interval sessions, I always feel like quitting after the first session, and then somehow like you get done with the second and you push yourself and you keep at it and you end up finishing the workout, which is quite funny. But yeah, that was good. That was a good workout. That was tough, but it was great. And yeah, week 7 of the half marathon done.